I make breakfast every morning. I make breakfast every morning. I will go shopping later. I will go shopping later. Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? She pours milk into her coffee. She pours milk into her coffee. I cleaned my room yesterday. I cleaned my room yesterday. This is not possible. This is not possible. I wash my face. I wash my face. I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning. I see the stars at night. I see the stars at night. They come early in the morning. They come early in the morning. May I come in? May I come in? We are going on holiday next week. We are going on holiday next week. I use a computer. I use a computer. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I am reading a book now. I am reading a book now. I will work in Spain for a month. I will work in Spain for a month. I cooked a big meal yesterday. I cooked a big meal yesterday. I will go shopping later. I will go shopping later. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. She knows him well. She knows him well. This is fun. This is fun. She thinks deeply. She thinks deeply. She makes a cake. She makes a cake. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? I stand on the floor. I stand on the floor. Do you know? Do you know? I will start my new job next week. I will start my new job next week. How long does it take? How long does it take? We go into the room quietly. We go into the room quietly. She wants to travel abroad next year. She wants to travel abroad next year. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. I walk down the street. I walk down the street. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I will bake fresh bread tomorrow. I will bake fresh bread tomorrow. I am checking my emails now. I am checking my emails now. I open a cupboard. I open a cupboard. I called my parents yesterday. I called my parents yesterday. We went grocery shopping yesterday. We went grocery shopping yesterday. We are practicing yoga now. We are practicing yoga now. I work from home. I work from home. I make breakfast every morning. I make breakfast every morning. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? I stand on the floor. I stand on the floor. I cleaned my room yesterday. I cleaned my room yesterday. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.